So, you're in paid social or you're in paid UA for an app. How can Python help you? Oh my god. I mean, Python can really help you. You guys have loads of data all over the place. So much data. It's incredible. You need a tool that can access the APIs for all of the platforms you're working on and pull it all into one place so you can have a global look at how your ads are performing and compare them against one another. And then, once you get slightly more sophisticated, once you've figured out how to do the data analysis in Python using API access, then you can build little helper functions based on what you want ads to perform like. Like you'll have kind of ranges of what you're happy ad creative or campaign budgets to be working at. And you can automate that. You can be lying in your bed sleeping and a little machine can go away and optimize your campaign. So when you get up in the morning, you haven't like killed a campaign because it's overspent in one place that it shouldn't have. So in the immediate future, like right now, once you start learning, like now, the next like 3 or 4 months, you can start aggregating all your data from your campaigns in one place and looking for the patterns. And then you can build little helper functions that will help you automate the optimization of a campaign, which, as you can imagine, will save you so much time and improve the performance of your campaign like overnight. So that is why somebody in paid UA should start learning Python now. There's already like tools out there starting to do this, but if you can get ahead of the curve and learn to build those tools yourself, then you are definitely like going to have the skills of the future. I mean, I'll hire you in the future. That's what I look for in people. So yeah, doing paid UA, Python, good mix, good blend. Hopefully I've inspired you to kind of check out the channel or the course.